In this Shopify tutorial for beginners, I'll show you how to create your own Shopify store from start to finish in just 10 minutes. We'll set up your account, add a product, customize your store, configure the essential settings, and get everything ready to launch. No previous experience is needed. So let's get started. To follow along with this tutorial, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Shopify free trial page where you can create your account and start building your store. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you decide to use Shopify at no additional cost to you. Once you're on the Shopify free trial page, enter your email address and click the button to start your free trial. Next, create a secure password for your account. You now see Shopify's current introductory offer. At the moment, new users receive a 3-day free trial, followed by just $1 per month for the first 3 months. You can enter your payment information using a credit or debit card, ShopPay, or PayPal. If you'd rather finish setting up your store first, click skip in the bottom right corner. That's what I'll do for this tutorial. Next, Shopify will ask you where you plan to sell. Select online store and then click next. Shopify will ask whether this is a new or existing business. I'm starting from scratch, so I'll select new business or idea. Now choose what you plan to sell. Shopify supports physical products, digital products, drop shipping, services, and more. If you're unsure, you can select I'll decide later. For this tutorial, I'll choose products you buy or make yourself and then click next. Finally, enter a name for your store. You can always change this later. I'll use Demo Online Store and then click finish. Once that's complete, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products, orders, customers, store design, and settings. Now that our account is ready, let's add the first product to the store. From the Shopify dashboard, click Products in the left side menu, and then click Add Product. Start by entering the name of your product. Underneath that, add a clear description explaining what the product is, its main features, and why someone should buy it. Next, upload your product images or videos. Use clear, high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles. Scroll down to the pricing section and enter the price you want customers to pay. You can also add a compare it price if you want the product to appear on sale. In the inventory section, enter the quantity you currently have available. If this is a physical product, make sure your shipping is enabled and enter the product's weight when required. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles, add those under the variant section. Once you've entered the essential product information, set the product status to active and click save. Our first product is now added. Now let's customize the design of the Shopify store. From the left side menu, click Online Store. Shopify automatically adds a free theme to every new store. You can keep this theme, choose another free theme, or visit the Shopify theme store for additional free and paid designs. For this tutorial, we'll customize the theme that's already installed. Click Edit Theme to open the Shopify theme editor. On the left, you'll see the different sections that make up your homepage. Click any section to edit its text, images, buttons, and layout. Start with the header section. Here, you could upload your logo, adjust its size, and manage your store's navigation menu. Next, select the main image or banner section. Upload an image that represents your brand. Add a clear headline and include a button that directs visitors to your products. You can add, remove, or rearrange sections using the menu on the left. For example, you can add a featured product, product collection, image with text, or email sign-up section. You can also open the theme settings to change your store's colors, fonts, buttons, and overall style. Once you're happy with the design, click Save in the top right corner. Now that the storefront is customized, let's create a collection to organize our products. To create a collection, return to the Shopify dashboard, click Products, and then select Collections. Click Create Collection and enter a name for it. For example, you could create collections for clothing, accessories, new arrivals, or featured products. You can also add a short description and upload a collection image, but these are optional. Next, Choose how products will be added. A manual collection lets you select each product yourself, while a smart collection automatically includes products that match conditions you create. For this tutorial, select Manual, add the product we just created, and then click Save. Your collection is now ready. Next, let's add it to the store's navigation menu so customers can easily find it. From the Shopify dashboard, click Content and then select Menus. Shopify includes a main menu that appears near the top of your store and a footer menu that appears at the bottom. Open the main menu and click Add Menu Item. Enter the name you want customers to see, such as Shop, New Arrivals, or the name of the collection we just created. Click the link field, select Collections, and then choose the collection you want to display. Click Add to add it to the menu. You can drag and drop the menu items to change the order in which they appear. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Customers can now use the main menu to find our collection. Next, let's configure the store's payment settings. Now let's set up how customers will pay for their orders. Click Settings in the bottom left corner of the Shopify dashboard, and then select Payments. If Shopify Payments is available in your location, click Complete Account Setup. This allows you to accept major credit cards and other supported payment methods directly through Shopify. Enter the required personal and business information, complete the verification process, and connect the bank account where you want to receive your payouts. You can also connect additional options such as PayPal or choose a supported third-party payment provider. Make sure at least one payment method is activated before launching your store. Once that's set up, let's configure shipping and delivery. From Settings, click Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping Profiles, open the General Shipping profile. This controls the shipping options available for most products in your store. First, confirm the countries or regions where you plan to ship. You can then add a shipping option for each location. Shopify lets you offer a flat shipping rate, free shipping, or carrier calculated shipping. For this example, we'll add a flat shipping rate. Enter a name customers will recognize, such as standard shipping, add the shipping price, and include an estimated delivery time if needed. You can also offer free shipping on every order or require customers to spend a certain amount to qualify. Click Done, and then click Save. Before launching, place a test order to make sure the correct shipping options appear at checkout. Now that payments and shipping are configured, let's connect a custom domain to the store. Shopify automatically gives your store a free myshopify.com web address, but connecting a custom domain makes your store look more professional. From Settings, click Domains. If you don't already own a domain, click Buy New Domain. Search for the domain name you want and follow the prompts to purchase it. Shopify will automatically connect it to your store. If you already purchased a domain from another provider, click Connect Existing Domain. Enter your domain name and follow Shopify's instructions to connect it. Once the domain is connected, make sure it's selected as your primary domain. This is the web address customers will see when visiting your store. Next, let's add the essential store policies before launching. Before launching your store, should include clear policies explaining how orders, returns, shipping, and customer information will be handled. From Settings, click Policies. Here, you can add a return policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy. You can write your own policies or click Insert Template to generate a starting point. Make sure you carefully review and customize every template with your store's actual information because you're responsible for the policies you publish. Click Save after completing each policy. Shopify will automatically display policy links during checkout, and you can also add them to your store's footer menu. Now that the essential policies are in place, let's preview the store and get it ready to launch. Before launching, preview your store and make sure everything works correctly. Go to Online Store and open the store preview. Check your homepage, products, collections, navigation links, images, prices, and policies on both desktop and mobile. You should also place a test order to confirm that the checkout, payments, shipping rates, inventory, and order notifications work correctly. If you use Shopify Payments, you can enable test mode from the Payments settings. Just remember to turn test mode off when you're finished. When you're ready to launch, choose the Shopify plan that best fits your business. Next, go to Online Store and select Preferences. Under Store Access, turn off password protection and click Save. Your Shopify store is now live and ready for customers. And that's how to create a Shopify store from start to finish in about 10 minutes. If you haven't started yet, click the first link in the description to access the Shopify free trial and follow along with this tutorial. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.